So does it talk?
Not yet.
Not yet?
She'll be 4 months old tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just a baby.
Just a baby.
Yeah.
I love the colors.
Isn't she beautiful, eh?
Very.
When her wings come in, she'll be a teal.
Very beautiful colors. I love the like deep green and the red tail. Even like the yellow on its breast is really pretty.
Had she had all the red,
Yeah.
she would have been way more expensive.
Oh, okay. She is beautiful.
I know, she's a beautiful girl.
What's her name?
Jewel.
Jewel.
All the jewel colors on her, so.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah. But yeah, she's a jewel bug. Yes, she's a bug.
I think she likes you.
Oh, yes. She likes everybody who she comes in here. She's on now. She's very friendly.
Huh. Yeah, it was funny watching her like come out of the hall. It's like, oh.
You should see her running. She just looks like the road runner, man. And she can run.